You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two streaming service platforms, which is DirecTV Stream and FuboTV. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about DirecTV Stream and FuboTV, both brings live TV and sports streaming to your screen, but they serve slightly different audience. DirecTV Stream shines for those who want a cable-like experience but strong channel selection, including premium network like HBO and regional sport access. It's reliable and easy to use across devices. However, it comes at a higher price point, making it less appealing to budget-conscious streamer. FuboTV, on the other hand, is built for sport fans, offering an impressive lineup of live sport channel plus entertainment option. It's flexible with hats-on and cloud DVR features, though its regional coverage and occasional price increases can be frustrating. Overall, DirecTV Stream is best for traditional TV lovers seeking reliable, while FuboTV wins for sport enthusiasts wanting a varieties and value. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.